Explore the perfect blend of recreation and investment with this pristine 44-acre parcel located just off of Highway 5 north of Centerville, Iowa. With unmatched care and maintenance, this property boasts a park-like setting with groomed trails throughout, making every acre easily accessible for hunting, hiking, or exploring. The land is rich with mature timber, including valuable stands of maple, walnut, and white oak. Whether harvested strategically now or held as a long-term timber investment, this resource offers potential returns while preserving the property's natural beauty. Tucked within the trees, you'll find a cozy off-grid cabin, ideal for weekend base camp or short-term rental. Equipped with an inverter for solar or generator power, provides all the essentials for comfortable unplugged stays. Bordering the scenic Chariton River, the property offers direct access to fishing, kayaking, and tranquil views. There is ample opportunity to develop private campsites or off-grid cabin rentals, creating a steady income stream for the savvy investor, tapping into the growing demand for unique outdoor accommodations. Additionally, you're just 30 minutes from over 10,000 acres of public land, expanding the recreational potential for guests or personal use. Whether you're seeking a hunting haven, family getaway, or land-based investment with income potential, this versatile piece of property delivers across all the boards. My name is Danny Fain, and I'm proudly representing Land Guys here in Southeast Iowa.